Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to install Firefox. I'm not going to delay, so let's get right to it. The first thing you want to do is open your Edge browser and type in Firefox. You want to select on the link that says download Firefox browser, and you can click on Firefox download in the bottom left or the top right. Now the download is complete. Let's double click on the install file. We want to allow the install, and the Firefox browser will automatically launch. That's all there is to it. See you next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Pixmux out.